What's going on, people? It's gbpbaby. Today we're going to be looking at gold. I don't usually look at gold that much. I only have one other video on my channel looking at gold, and so it's just going to be a little review. It's currently Sunday, 16th of July, and yeah, I'm just going to run through what I've had marked out. I do watch gold personally, but I don't really make any videos on it because I don't know really. I don't watch it too closely. It's more like a longer term market for me, so to speak. But anyway, I had this marked out. We'll go on the monthly and I'll just explain what's happened. So, no, weekly even. So I had this massive weekly fair value gap marked out, and I marked out the 50% level, and I was saying if the volume remains above the 50% level, then I'd expect this buy side liquidity to get traded to. And also there's this inverted fair value gap, so you can see price did find support. It found support, volume stayed above the 50% level. In fact, it almost stayed in the top 25%. And now listen, with all the geopolitical things that are going on to do with the war, and so to speak, I can imagine there's going to be a lot of volatility in this pair soon, especially after last week's trading. You can see how we traded higher with dollar moving lower. This is anticipated, so this isn't really a surprise to me. But there's this massive fair value gap up here, which I'd expect us to draw to. But as you know, when gold moves higher, dollar moves lower. And again, with all the things that are going on, I wouldn't be surprised if we do start to see us push higher into this buy side liquidity. So I'm just going to quickly run down what I'm expecting. You can see volume stayed above the 25% level. Now when price turns around at the 25% level off a fair value gap, and this is the 25% because it's split into quarters: first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter would be down here. But when price turns around at the 25% level, that shows a lot of bullishness. ICT did state that in a video a while ago, because it can turn around at the 50% level, but you can see it's the 25% level what we're respecting. And then we have this massive push higher. So if we drop down to the daily, you can see that I've marked out this inverted fair value gap. We traded on the downside and then on the upside, so now this should act as support. So when price trades down to here, I'd be expecting to find some kind of support, and then I'd like to see us expand, just like this, expand higher and push into the highs resting here and into this buy side liquidity where we have relative equal highs, and we also have that weekly fair value gap. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say on the matter. I don't want to speak too much. And again, gold is very geopolitically led because it's a commodity, right? So in terms of anticipating price to move, I'd expect world events to be moving such things. So I'm just gonna leave that out there. If I go on silver as well, you'll see how silver's actually taken out buy side liquidity, and there is a correlation between gold and silver. If you watch my last gold video, it was made ages ago, but if you watch it, you'll see I compared the two, and we saw that silver was making lower lows when gold wasn't. So I anticipate gold to catch up, and that's what happened. Same situation here. Silver's making higher highs. Gold hasn't made that higher high yet, so I'm anticipating a nice push on gold to catch up. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want me to make more videos on gold or commodities in general, I'm happy to take a deeper look into it. It won't be daily like I do look at Forex. However, it's definitely something I have my eyes on something I have my eyes on and would be happy to do more reviews on. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.